What is the chemical symbol of gold? AU, AG, AL, AM. The right answer is AU. Spleen is a part of digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, none of the above. The right answer is none of the above. Sound travels through which of the following? Vacuum, solid, liquid, gas. The right answer is solid. Nephron is a nerve cell, unit of excretory system, kidney cell, collecting system. The right answer is kidney cell. Decibel is a unit of power, brightness of light, atmospheric pressure, loudness of sound. The right answer is loudness of sound. Blood sugar level in the body is reduced by corticosteroid, glucagon, insulin, histamine. The right answer is insulin. Deficiency of vitamin A causes cataract, night blindness, myopia, all of the above. The right answer is night blindness. Which of the following is a female germ cell? Ovary, ovum, zygote, morula. The right answer is ovum. Palacontology means study of language, study of fungi, study of animal and plant fossils, study of earthquakes. The right answer is study of animal and plant fossils. Urine is produced by sex glands, urinary bladder, kidneys, rectum. The right answer is kidneys. Anemia is caused by calcium deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, iron deficiency, low blood sugar level. The right answer is iron deficiency. Thyroid gland is a part of digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, none of the above. The right answer is none of the above. What is the SI unit of force? Joule, bar, arc, Newton. The right answer is Newton. Polio is caused by protozoa, bacteria, virus, fungus. The right answer is virus. Hemoglobin molecule contains iron, selenium, silicon, calcium. The right answer is iron. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder? Calcium chloride, calcium hydroxide, calcium hydrochloride, calcium carbonate. The right answer is calcium hydrochloride. What is the capital of Syria? Jerusalem, Damascus, Dar es Salaam, Abu Dhabi. The right answer is Damascus. What is the largest living animal of the world? Mountain lion, shark, blue whale, gorilla. The right answer is blue whale. Which is the following sports is associated with the term half volley? Basketball, volleyball, tennis, wrestling. The right answer is tennis. Who is known as Missile Man of India? C.V. Raman, Satyendranath Bose, APJ Abdul Kalam, Hargobind Khurana. The right answer is APJ Abdul Kalam.